What's up traders, welcome back to my channel. No Skid Effects in the building, and in today's video we'll be looking at the summary of the trade we've taken throughout the month of January 2026. Alright, so without wasting much time, let's get started. So on the 4th of January, I funded my account with $100. That is why you are seeing the balance of $99.94, right? So I funded the account on the 4th, and I had my first withdrawal on the 8th, right? I actually showed you guys on this video, right? If you've not watched this video, you can kindly go back to it so that you can actually understand the whole process. So what I'm trying to do in this video is to actually show you the reality of trading. This is not me coming out to brag about anything. I'm just here to show you the practical experience of trading, because I am, trying to see or show you the transparency in this journey, so that the both of you, or people who just think that trading is just to come in and make money and go away, will be properly guided, right? And you can also use what you're seeing right now to actually, look at your journey and tell yourself that when you are actually trying in your own little capacity. Okay, so I had that first withdrawal on the 8th, as you can see from my screen, $60. That is the balance you're seeing here as minus $60. Then after that, I had a couple of losses because I traded some pairs which are extremely volatile. You can see on volatility 101x index, I had like 2 positions, and then I lost close to like $40 something, right? 40 something to $50, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, about that is about $50. So after that, I also took some trade on VIX 151x, and it also ended in loss. Okay, I traded volatility 100 index, also a loss. These pairs are now very, very volatile. So that is why you can see that I was not over trading, right? I was only taking trade. You can see the time interval at which this trade was taken. So the only trade I took after those withdrawal was on the 8th, right? After that 8th, I didn't take any trade again. On the 10th, I did not trade. On the 9th, I did not trade till on the 11th. So you can see that I was not just trading every day. So after the trade, I had another loss, and it wiped up the account. Remember that I am trading with a small account, and what I wanted us to do from the beginning of this year is to understand the art of compounding, right? So I lost the account, and I have to deposit another $100 on the 11th. So on that same 11th, I took another trade on volatility 100 index, right? And it still went in loss. And the annoying part of this whole thing, after the trade took me out, we had a very massive sell. This loss happened around here. It happens around this region. So we had a very massive sell off, because I was anticipating to take a sell off from, I think it was around here, and target this low, but then the market took me out and then crashed down. So but that is part of the journey anyway. So I also had a couple of losses trading volatility 15 index, and I eventually caught a good move that gave me close to like let me say $90 something. Yeah, this is 49 plus 49, so that is about $98 plus. So I had other wins on jump 50 index, right? This trade was supposed to give me a significant amount of money, but then I don't know what happened. I did not manage this trade well. The trade actually smashed my TP, but at the end of the day, I was holding. I don't know what I was holding on to. I think that was greed stepping on me, but then I just have to close the little profit that I have, because I was trying to make re-entry and it was not working well. So I closed this profit, and I decided to make another withdrawal of $64, as you can see right here. So like I told you from the beginning, the whole essence of you trading is not just to prove a point, and this video is not to tell you how I make thousands of dollars. I'm just trying to tell you how you can manage yourself as a struggling trader, how you can actually try to put things in order for yourself when you want to grow as a trader, right? It is not a video to come and tell you make thousands of dollars, this and that. No, this is a practical trading experience that I'm sharing with you guys. Okay, so after that withdrawal of $64.2, I continued the journey. So I made the withdrawal on the 19th. So I did not trade that day again. So the next day I traded was on the 20th, right? So I took a trade on the 20th, and it also went in loss. And due to the volatility nature of the pairs that I was trading, which is 25-1x, for those of you who are trading, you can tell how volatile that pair is. And due to the volatility nature of that pair, I had huge loss. You can see one of the losses like $26, and I had like about $8 in 3 places and all. So I lost the account. So what I did was, remember that I withdrew $64.20, right? I have to refund back that money. I did not withdraw it to my wallet. What I did was I transferred it from my deriv account, my MT5 account, to my deriv account. So when I had those losses, I have to like send it back to continue the journey, because trading is it's a continuous race, right? You have to stay alive and try to stay longer, so that when the right opportunity comes, you'll be able to catch it, right? So it is the level of your risk management skill and your level of psychology that will help you stay longer in the market, and that is what I am showing you. Because from my screen you can see a lot of losses, but at the end of the day, what happened? Were you profitable, or were you in loss, or at break even? So those are the things that you should be considering, right? So I funded back the account, and I think I funded the account on the 21st, right? I sent back the 22.24 on the 21st, and I traded. I did not trade again since that time, because there was no setup. Market was empty, right? I was not seeing any value setup for me to trade. And what did I do? I stayed off. I'm not trying to force any trade. You can see, if you look at the date on my MT5, you can see that after funding the account on the 21st, I did not trade 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th. There was no trade for me. The only time I took a trade was on the 27th, as you can see. And the trade I took was on step index. The trade I took was on step index. I think step index 100, right? So I took the trade, and it still ended up in loss. Now the trade was supposed to be from this POI. You can see that I'm not just trading from any angle. I have valid region where I am expected to make my trade entry from. Now we had these reactions from here, and this is where I made my entry, right? I made my entry right from this place. And what happened? The trade showed a little bit of move and then crash, because my stop loss is kind of very tight, and the trade took me out. So that's the loss that I have here on after funding this $64.2. Then I traded on the 28th again, which was on volatility 31x, and it also took me out. Then the last trade I took after 26th was on the 30th, but I closed this position on the 31st. That is why you're seeing, or the position hit my take profit on the 31st, because I took the trade on the 30th, but the profit was still running when I wanted to go to bed last night, which was that 30th. So waking up this morning, I find out that the trade has already smashed my take profit. So when I had these two losses from step index and volatility 31x, my equity was already remaining $24, right? So that $24 was what I used to take this jump index trade, and with this single trade I was able to make over $100 and something from it. Then it took my account from that $24 to an equity of $153. So overall, I am not in loss, and I did not make tangible amount of money this month. But the most important thing, like I told you from the beginning, is your ability to stick to your plan. Because when you are alive in the market, opportunities will come your way and you will be able to catch these opportunities. So do not just have that mindset of, because you do not make money this month, it means that you're a bad trader. No, I made some money, yet the money was not much, but it was still a win for me. A win is a win, right? And the most important thing is I was disciplined enough to actually follow up my trade. So the trade I took, which is this jump index, I will show you the trade. Market is still selling till now, as I'm talking to you right now. Market is still selling as at the time of recording this video. So this is the trade. You can see how massive this move is. I took the trade from here, and in fact this is just the easiest trade so far to take. I was waiting for this confirmation yesterday. I saw this candle reactions and I was like, this is a perfect candle for me to enter, but I was not in rush. I decided to wait for the next candle to close, which is this one. I saw a doji and the next candle. So I was waiting patiently until this candle was formed, because I was waiting for this low to be taken out. Immediately this candle was formed and there was a little retracement to the upside. I made my entry, opened 3 positions and with different lot sizes, and I ride it all the way down. So if my account was much, I would have taken more risks on it and I would have made more tangible amount of money. But the most important thing is I am not closing January in loss, which is a good one, and I was able to follow my rule to at least 95%. I was able to obey my rule to like 95%, which was actually a good one. So right now, this is my balance, and I am going to withdraw it. I'm going to withdraw $53 from it and then reset the account back to $100, which will be the starting capital for February, right? So as you're watching this video and enjoying it, please make sure you subscribe if this is your first time of viewing the content, and share it to others so that they can also benefit from it. There's a link to our Telegram channel in the description of this video. You can also join us. We host live classes and free signals are being sent to the group on a day-to-day basis. So you can also do well to join the Telegram channel. And if you're not trading with deriv, the link is also made available for you in the video description. So you can actually create your account and also participate in some of these amazing pairs that deriv have to offer, right? So I'll be transferring $53 to this account. 53.20 cents. 53.20 cents to this. Then I'm going to click on withdraw, and I'm going to click on send message. So here is the email, and I'm just going to open it and then proceed with the withdrawal request. So this is the withdrawal page. I'm just going to paste my wallet and then I'll click on all, right? So this is the amount I want to withdraw, and I'm going to click on withdraw. So let's see how long it will take before I receive this money in my account. So the moment the money gets to my account, it will disappear from here. There will be no need for me to see it here. So let's see how long it takes. So this is 8:39. I make this withdrawal by 8:39. So let's see how long it will take before we eventually receive our money. Yeah, this is 8:40, as you can see, and the fund has already gotten to my wallet. So this is how fast the deriv withdrawal is. So within a space of 1 minute, less than 1 minute, the money will get to your account. So this is how fast deriv is. So if you want to trade with deriv, the link is there in the video description. You can set up your account, fund it, and then let's trade together, right? So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you share the video, like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that others can also learn from these amazing videos and other opportunities that will be coming in the long run. So this is where we'll be stopping today, and I hope to see you in our next video. Peace out, guys. On us kid cares.